Apprenticeships have had a positive effect on the creation of career pathways for our existing staff and our new recruits. This has meant that professions that were originally thought as out of reach are now more accessible. It's opened the doors to new possibilities. The apprentices benefit from this exciting opportunity through engaged work experience, increased confidence, but also exposure to the very different roles that we have here in the NHS.
This has been an amazing experience completing my apprenticeship within the Health Board. This has enabled me to get a full-time job completing it.
We are thrilled to have reached this stage of the Macro Employer of the Year category. This is a validation of the great work already undertaken by Cardiff and Vale University Health Board in upskilling our staff and creating exciting opportunities for our local communities.
Pwrpas peiriannydd Babcock yn lle awyr y Valley yw cynnal a thrin yr awyrennau sydd yno.
The benefits of this particular scheme is that the apprentices get exposure to all parts of our business.
The great thing about this apprenticeship is that it's given me the opportunity to work on aircraft, as I've always wanted.
Un o'r pethau llwyddiannus am y programme ydy rhoi cynnig i bobl lleol ddatblygu sgiliau sy'n ei dyfodol iddyn nhw.
Dwi wedi dechrau'r apprentisiaeth am chydig o fisoedd rwan, ond yn barod dwi'n teimlo'r cymorth a dwi'n hynod o ddiolchgar amdan hynny.
Oeddwn i wrth fy modd pan glywes i bod ni wedi gwneud y rownd derfynol, mae o'n dangos y gwaith calad mae pawb wedi reid i mewn i'r programme yma. Wedi mynd drwy apprentishiaeth Babcock, mae'r unigolion yn datblygu llwyth o sgiliau fydden nhw ddefnyddio ar gyfer eu dyfodol.
At the end of the scheme, the apprentices are able to secure full-time employment and then go on to develop into supervisors and managers of the future.
Mae'r hyfforddiant yn cynnwys tîm i gyd, yn dechrau hefo grŵp Llandrillo'n Menai ac wedyn gweithwyr ni i gyd yn Llu Awyr y Valley i ddatblygu yn unigolion yma.
I think what's special about the Apprentice Academy is the wide range of qualifications that we offer at different levels, from Leadership and Management Level 7 for our higher level managers to Apprentice Healthcare Support Worker posts for clinical staff. I would say apprentices are very well placed to progress after their apprenticeship within Swansea Bay. They have a qualification, they have the experience in the job that they're working in, and contacts from the training provider and from us.
I think apprenticeships offer a different route, so a lot of people would tend to go to universities or maybe directly into jobs, whereas that apprenticeship gives the person the experience and they can earn and learn at the same time as well.
Really surprised to be a finalist in the Apprenticeship Awards. It's really good to be recognised for the work that we do, for recruiting apprentices and for upskilling existing staff.